What is the best lot size for scalping, day trading, and swing trading gold? In this video, I will teach you how to calculate a lot size for gold trading for any trading strategy, any time frame, and any trading style. And as an example, I will share with you the best lot sizes for $500, $1,000, $10,000 gold trading accounts. So take notes and let's get started. And let's start with the best lot sizes for scalping. For scalping, traders commonly apply 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frames. In order to calculate the best lot size for scalping on 5 minutes time frame, you should backtest your trading strategy and you should find at least 5 trading setups that meets the conditions, the trading plan of your trading strategy, and you should measure the stop losses of every trade. You should know exactly the peep value of each stop loss. Here's what I did. I opened 5 minutes time frame, and on 5 minutes time frame I marked all the trades that I took on 5 minutes time frame. I underlined the stop loss and the entry for each trade. Also remember a simple rule that the more trades you backtest, the safer will be the lot size that you will calculate. You should measure the stop loss of every trade and you should identify the biggest stop loss. And then I measured the stop loss value of every trade that I took in pips. Traders, don't miss a big summer sale. 40% off on my premium group. VIP signals included. For more info, check the link in the description below. Among the 5 trades that I took, I found the trade with the biggest stop loss. And our biggest stop loss is 353 pips. Remember the biggest stop loss and pips because that is a very important number. After that, open a position size calculator for gold. I will apply my FX book position size calculator. Here's how the position size calculator looks. Here we should fill all the fields. Our account size is $500, risk ratio is 2%, and our stop loss on pips is 353 pips. We click calculate. And here is the best lot size for scalping gold with $500 on 5 minutes time frame. It will be 0.03 lots. Now let's calculate the lot size for $1,000 account. The only thing we change is the account size. We input 1,000, we click calculate, and here is our best lot size. It is 0.06. And for $10,000, it will be 0.57 lots. With such a lot size, your potential risk per trade will not exceed 2% of your trading account, and the average risk will be around 1%. Now let's calculate the best lot size for scalping gold on 15 minutes time frame. Again, we will start with the backtesting and we will find at least 5 trading setups that meets the criteria of our trading strategy. We will measure the stop losses of each trade in pips and we will find the biggest stop loss. Here are 5 trades that were taken with my strategy on 15 minutes time frame. Again, what we do, we measure the peep value of each stop loss and we are looking for the biggest stop loss in pips. Our biggest stop loss is 600 pips. Also remember that higher is the time frame that you trade, bigger is the stop loss of your trades in pips. It means that higher is the time frame that you are trading, more money you will need to trade. It means that the higher time frame you trade, the bigger account size you will need to keep the thing safe. For scalping gold on 15 minutes time frame with $500, the best lot size will be 0.02 lots. With $1,000 account, it will be 0.03 lots. And with $10,000, it will be 0.33 lots. Now let's measure the best lot size for day trading gold. For day trading gold, traders commonly apply 13 minutes and 1 hour time frames. Again, on 30 minutes time frame, identify at least 5 last trading setups and measure the stop losses. Identify the biggest stop loss and pips. Here are 5 day trades on 30 minutes time frame, and here the biggest stop loss is 997 pips. So you can see how the stop losses grow with time frames. For day trading gold on 30 minutes time frame with $500 trading account, the best lot size will be minimal lot 0.01. With $1,000, the best lot size will be 0.02 lots. And with $10,000 trading account, the best lot size will be 0.2 lots. The same logic will be applied on an hourly time frame. And here are 5 day trading setups that were taken on an hourly time frame. The biggest stop loss here is 1,500 pips. With such a stop loss, $500 trading account will not be enough to keep the things safe and to not risk more than 2% per trade. It means that you will need at least $1,000 trading account to day trade gold on an hourly time frame with such stop losses. Our best lot size for day trading gold on an hourly time frame with $1,000 trading account will be minimal 0.01 lot. With $10,000 trading account, the best lot size for trading will be 0.13 lots. Now let's calculate the best lot sizes for swing trading. The main time frames for swing trading are 4-hour and daily time frames. Let's start with 4-hour time frames trading. Here are 5 swing trades on gold on a 4-hour time frame, and the biggest stop loss here is 2,800 pips. $1,000 trading account will not be enough for swing trading gold with such a stop loss. Taking the trade with the minimal 0.01 lot, the risk will be $28. It is 2.8% of $1,000. It exceeds 2% maximum loss per trade. For swing trading gold with such a trading strategy and $5,000 trading account, the best lot size will be 0.04 lot. For $10,000 trading account, the best lot size will be 0.07 lots. Now let's measure the best lot size for swing trading on a daily time frame. Stop losses on a daily time frame are huge. Among 5 swing trading setups on a daily time frame that I took, the biggest stop loss is 7,300 pips. For swing trading gold on a daily time frame with such a trading strategy and $5,000 trading account, the best lot size will be 0.02 lots. For $10,000 trading account, the best lot size will be 0.03 lots. Before you start trading gold on a real account, it is crucially important to know your risks. Knowing the biggest and the average stop loss and pips will help you to measure the safest lot size for your trading style and backtest as many setups as possible. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, let me know in the comment section which lot size do you use for gold trading. Don't miss my gold signals, subscribe to my free Telegram channel now, the link in the description below, and also do not forget to watch my other videos.